Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of a rational number chapter. So in my previous video we have completed till associative property. Now the next topic in this is the role of 0 and the role of 1. Okay, and negative of a number. These are the small subtopics. Reciprocal and distributive of multiplication over addition for rational number. These topics let us learn here. Okay, first we are going to learn is role of 0. What is the role of 0 here? Let us check first. Here 0 is a additive identity. What it is? 0 is nothing but it is the additive identity for integers, whole numbers and rational numbers. Okay, 0 is a additive identity. We have to remember what is 0. 0 is nothing but it is a additive identity. Why it is additive identity? Because if we add anything to 0, we get the same thing. For example, a plus 0 or 0 plus a, we will get a only. One more example I will take. 100 plus 0. 100 plus 0. In 100 if we add 0 or in 0 if we add 100, we will get 100 only. So if we add anything to the number, if we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number. Got it? So it is called additive identity. 0 is nothing but additive identity. Why? Because if we add anything to the 0, we'll get the same thing. कौन से भी नंबर को हम लोग 0 से ऐड करेंगे तो वही नंबर मिल जाएगा. So it is called additive identity. Let us see role of 1. What is 1? 1 is the multiplicative identity. 0 additive identity है, इसी तरह 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers, whole numbers and rational number. जिस तरह 0 additive identity है, 1 multiplicative identity है. How it is? A into 1 or 1 into A is A. Any number multiplied by 1 is same number. For example, 100 into 1 और 1 into 100, we will get 100 only. कौन सा भी नंबर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम नंबर मिलता है. So it is called multiplicative identity. Let us see the next. It is negative of a number. Next topic, negative of a number, or it is also called additive inverse. Okay, in rational number, minus a by b is the additive inverse of a by b. Additive inverse, what it will be? Minus a by b is the additive inverse for a by b. इसी तरह, what is the additive inverse of 3 by 4? is nothing but minus 3 by 4. अगर 3 by 4 है तो माइनस होता है, अगर माइनस है तो 3 by 4 होता है. So additive inverse is nothing but we have to change the sign. If plus then minus, if minus then plus. So additive inverse of 3 by 4 is minus 3 by 4. Here a plus minus a by b or minus a by b plus a by b is equals to 0. Here additive inverse we will get answer always 0. For example, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 or minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Always answer will be 0. Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 0. Any two positive and negative number if we take, answer we will get 0. Okay, additive inverse. Now let us see, before it was additive identity, now additive inverse. Okay, like that way reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? A number b by a is the reciprocal of a by b, or it is also called a number b by a is a multiplicative inverse of a by b. That is 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. And we also call 3 by 4 is a multiplicative inverse of 4 by 3. कोई भी number if we take, for example 1 by 4. So multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Like that it is. Or 5 by 4, 4 by 5. Multiplicative inverse only reciprocal it will be. Additive inverse sign will change. Okay. So multiplicative inverse always answer we will get 1. For example, 2 by 5 into we will take 5 by 2. 2 by 5 a number. Multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2 is equals to 5 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, 1 will be the answer. So this is about the multiplicative inverse. Now let us see the next one is last property here, distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational number. Distribution, multiplication over addition means here we will get the general form distributive property A into B plus C means multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. So multiplication over addition. A into B plus C is equals to A into B means this into this, A into B plus A into C. This is the general form. A into B plus C is nothing but A into B plus A into C. Now let us check whether we will get same answer or what. Okay. We have taken example. A is equals to minus 3 by 4. B is equals to 2 by 3. And C is equals to minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now we will substitute in this. A value is minus 3 by 4. Multiply sign as it is. B 2 by 3 plus C value is minus 5 by 6 is equal to as it is. A value I am writing here minus 3 by 4 into B value 2 by 3 plus sign as it is A 3 by 4 into C minus 5 by 6. Okay, now let us see how to solve this. Minus 3 by 4 I kept as it is into 2 by 3 as it is plus minus minus 5 by 6 as it is. Only I have changed the sign, plus minus, two signs are there na, plus minus minus is equal to as it is. Here 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, minus 2 ones are 2, 4 ones are 4, 2 by 4 left, plus sign, minus minus get cancelled, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 5 ones are 5, 4 twos are 8. Okay, now here let us see what, minus 3 by 4 as it is outside, cross multiply because my LCM we have to cross multiply. 6 2s are 12, 3 5s are 15 upon 6 3s are 18 is equal to, here also the same thing we have to do, negative sign it is, 8 2s are 16 minus 16 plus 4 5s are 20 upon 8 4s are 32. So next step, now minus 3 by 4 we have to keep as it is into multiply sign as it is. Now 12 minus 15 is minus 3 upon 18 as it is. Okay, is equal to minus 16 plus 20. We have to do 1 plus 1 minus means minus. So 20 minus 16 is 4. Greater number is plus upon 32 as it is. Okay. So now minus minus get cancelled, plus 3 3s are 9, 18 4s are 72. Okay, is equals to 4 upon 32. Now let us see, we will cancel. 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So we got 1 by 8 is equals to 1 by 8. So LHS is equals to RHS. So this is distributive property satisfied. Both answers are equal. So any number if we take, we will get the same answer only. So now this completes the distributive property. Here today we have learned in today's video role of 0, role of 1, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse and distributive property of multiplication over addition. So in my next video I am going to start the exercise problem, that is last. So only one exercise you have in this. So we are going to learn this exercise 2.1 in my next video. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.